Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to connect or use your store manager to connect to Amazon on Payoneer. So the first thing you have to do is to log into your account here on Payoneer. It should appear this way. Then the next thing is to go to your manage options here, the last option. Click on it and scroll down. Choose this section here, the businesses you work with. Then you would see four options to choose from: the connect option, companies you work with, and store manager and refer your network. Click on the store manager option. It should bring you to a page where you can link your Amazon store to your Payoneer. If you want to get a step-by-step instructions, which we can open here to check it out, we can do that, or we can just click on get started to link our good to link our Amazon store to Payoneer. So we can click on the Americas or choose the continent we are from. I am in Nigeria, so I'll just click on this second option. Well, if you're in the Americas, you can choose or click, then you can enter your seller email here. Then you can, after that, you go to the authorization, and then you select the store locations you have here. You give more details about your store and what you do on the store, or the details of your store basically. Then you enter the review stage where you get to review it, and Amazon and Payoneer will get back to you after a few minutes, hours, or days. So let's just check the step-by-step process here. You can also check for the step-by-step process here. You can set up, okay, this is just basic payments. Okay, so I believe you must have gotten what you came here for. If this video has been helpful to you in any way, please let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. And please, if this video has been helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel, and have a great day.